Next up, we have a nice little warm-up for the shoulders, and I like to call them shoulder pulls. What we want to do is take your mace with an inward thumb grip and hanging low with as wide a grip as you can manage. First thing you're going to do is upright row so your elbows are nice and high. Keep your elbows at that height as you rotate the bar up and around the head, and then as best you can, lower down onto the shoulders into that sort of high bar back position. Then push up, rotate around the front to lower down. Now the key here is what I see a lot of people doing. They do the upright row just fine, but then they switch heights with the bar and the elbow. So the bar comes up and the elbows go down. Then it just becomes an overhead press rather than an elbows up position, so that you rotate forward and around. And this really works the rotation of the shoulder rather than just doing a flip. Okay, so go around, up and over, and try and keep your head still. Move the mace around you, not you around the mace. Give that a go, do about 10 reps with the weight in one hand, and then switch sides, do 10 reps with the weight in the other hand, and hopefully you should feel a little bit of a burn occurring, and that's the blood flow getting to the joint and the muscles.